So guys, when we'll be sharing the screen, we'll be briefly discussing one portfolio. This is one of our HNI clients जिनके portfolio पे थोड़ी चर्चा करेंगे अपन. And we will also look into the couple of Excel sheets that Archit has maintained for his clients. And we will start our discussion with one of our latest product that we have started, that is the portfolio building service. थोड़ा उसके ऊपर discussion करेंगे. And I think given how markets have been in the month of June, I think this discussion is also very relevant. थोड़ा इस पर discuss करते हैं, then we'll move on to our main agenda for this particular meeting or webinar, that is discussing the stocks from your thread. So before we do that, we'll just quickly, give some of our thoughts quickly in 10 minutes, and you all can, consider those thoughts that we have, and you all can, connect with us to know more, get in touch to understand how this particular product is going to function, so on and so forth. अजय मैंने को WhatsApp किया है वो PNL.
यस मैंने डाउनलोड कर दिया. बराबर दिख रहा है?
और थोड़ा जूम करना. So I had also posted this particular PNL in अपने CGCM stage 1 stage 2 subgroups में share किया था. So one thing that the reason to share this is, if you look into this PNL, we've morphed the name of the client for confidentiality purposes. This PNL is downloaded for the last 1 year. 20th of June को मैंने download किया था. So this basically highlights the performance for the last one entire year, 20th of June to 19th of June, 2020 to 2021. So if you see this PNL, firstly in angel broking PNL format, पहले अपन equity segment cover करेंगे. ठीक है, this client had started with a capital of somewhere close to 15 to 20 lakhs. धीरे धीरे scale up किया था. And we will not go line by line, but एक बार quickly if you can drag the first 2-3 sheets, you can roughly see the scripts that we've traded. They are small caps, mid caps, as well as large caps. सारे के सारे segments में काम हुआ है. मतलब all categories of stocks we've worked in, but we've majorly restrained our work to, decent companies, not junk companies. Some may also be junk companies, but the market was good, so I think we've invested in some micro caps as well last year.
Yes.
जैसे IFCI is there. IFCI क्या भाव पे लिया था यार? अभी 17 रुपए का भाव था लास्ट. 16.4 was the high, I think.
Right, ये अभी 13,000 पे अपन ने 20,000 लिया था. And 9.45 से लेना चालू किया था.
9.45 से लेना चालू किया था.
So basically there are a lot of companies like Intellect Design, CDS है. ये सब काफी like last year.
BSC, I remember this particular client. We had just bought 500 shares. वो 200 रुपए ऊपर बेचे थे अपन ने.
Yes.
So see, in the last particular year, and I think the markets for the next 2 to 3 years are going to be like this. People think that the bull run ka start hai. I think 2017 was one particular year where, I remember I made a lot of money. All of us made a lot of money in mid cap and small cap rally. After that, we had a rough patch in 2018, 2019. 2020, we started off with a huge correction on back of COVID situation, which was a big overhang and a big uncertainty, post which the recovery has happened, and we've seen a big rally, and this is actually a proper bull run. अगर किसी को bull run कहा जाएगा तो this particular phase of market is a hardcore bull run. Every dip is being bought. Every single series, अगर अपन month on month series भी देखेंगे, every month has given us a dip to buy and has ended on a high. So it clearly depicts that on a month on month basis, we are trying to close at decent levels. If there is a correction, that is more of a pullback rather than a correction, which is healthy for the market. So if you see this PNL, if we can go towards the end, I think the second page है, total 4 page हो गए, 3-4 page हो गया. Yeah, one more page, I think. Yeah,
this is the last one.
Look at the end, अगर अपन इसको थोड़ा डिटेल में देखेंगे ना, पूरे साल में इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग करके this client has made around you see intraday, short term and long term.
I think so. This one
For the entire
intraday.
year, he has traded intraday, made money, lost money. This client was not particularly much into intraday. So we made around 21,000 rupees in the entire year in intraday. If you look at short-term capital gains, short-term PNL, more than 19 lakh rupees has been, booked in short-term. If you look at long-term again, we were not holding much before March. So I think long-term के definition में नहीं cover होता वो. But still long-term also we've booked around 1,70,000 rupees. And if you see that the notional PNL, मतलब ये जो positions खड़ी है अभी, मतलब we are holding certain positions, उसके ऊपर there is a mark-to-market profit of more than 4 lakh rupees. मतलब a client who started with a capital of 20 lakh rupees was not an active investor. This guy has not been an active investor, an active trader. He has been more of, buy, hold, sit tight kind of a client. And he has managed to make more than 100% of his capital inside one full year. And I think markets have been good. And this is still an average performance. Had it been more managed, well, he has traded on himself as well, traded on our trades as well. So this is a mixed performance. But the point, or the purpose of sharing this particular snapshot or PNL will be understood in the next इसके नीचे वाले segment में आप आइए. This client has also traded in FNO. पूरे साल काम किया, around a lot of scripts, lot of quantities traded. Look at the net PNL for the entire year. Last column. minus 1,000 rupees for the entire year. इक्विटी में ये बंदे ने काम करके 25 लाख रुपए कमाए, and FNO has ended up making a loss of 1,000 rupees, which is again I think इसमें आइडिया के ऊपर मार्क टू मार्केट चल रहा है, आइडिया का पोजीशन ओपन है. So short point being that even by being a passive investor, buying a quality stock, sitting tight, moving out, making 20, 25, 30%, you can easily make handsome gains from the equity market. You don't have to be a day trader, a compulsive trader. Yes, if you're a day trader, you will accelerate your returns. I myself started and I have built most of my capital through day trading. And then later on we venture into the aspects of investing. तो कैपिटल बनाने के लिए डे ट्रेडिंग इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट क्लाइंट्स हु ऑलरेडी हैव अ कैपिटल, दे डोंट नीड टू एक्चुअली गेट इनटू द प्रोसेस ऑफ डे ट्रेडिंग rigorously, compulsively. When you see an opportunity, you trade. But if you can just stick to quality stocks, back it up with technicals, buy a stock which has given a breakout and retested it perfectly, those are the kind of entries you should make. Those are the kind of entries which will give you a quick 20-25%, which you can book out and then move to the next stock. That will be more efficient utilization of your particular capital. And our portfolio building service that we have just recently started in the execution support manner. We've been running this since the last year with select clients, where the clients were trading on their particular demat account. We were not handling any of those funds. Now what we've done is, because we have an affiliation wherein we can take decisions on behalf of certain clients, where the client is aware of the trade, where the client is given the trades which we are going to take, and the trades are executed automatically in the client's account. So the client only has to open a demat account, park his funds. He will be aware of what trade we are taking, when we are going to initiate a trade. वो trade उनके account में लिया जाएगा without the need of client being actively involved. Here we are not going to focus on intraday. Here the assumption is that this client has a good capital to deploy in the equity markets, and he's expecting to make decent returns. So had he worked on his capital by himself, साल का 10-12% is easy. Anybody can make it by doing quality investing. We will be charging our fees only when the hurdle of 12% is met. So there will be an upfront fee and there will be a hurdle rate. ठीक है, आपके कैपिटल डिप्लॉयड के ऊपर when we meet the particular hurdle that is capped at 12% per annum as of now, only above that जो प्रॉफिट होगा उसके ऊपर we will be billing a performance fee. ठीक है, but the idea is when you have a higher chunk of capital to deploy, the minimum ticket size we've kept for this product abhi initially is 5 lakhs. Going forward, we'll be taking only minimum investment of 10 lakh rupees for the clients who are going to be passive investors. You want their execution to be done by us. Archit, you can share your P&L also once. जो client अपन last 1 year से manage कर रहे थे. If you see that P&L, you'll see slightly higher difference.
So basically, this is the performance from, I think so, Feb 21, last year Feb 22, this year Feb 2021. This is the performance sheet, and I have like maintained this performance sheet. And as you can see over here, he had deployed around 15 lakhs, and we were able to deploy like generate a profit of around 51,000. And over here as well, we only traded in positional stocks. Over here, the risk appetite of the client was also not very much. So as you can see, there are some of the stocks that have taken like CDSL at 500 levels. It is now trading at around I think so around 1,000 levels. So over here we plan to make a portfolio for a longer term period, and we plan to ride a particular stock. We are not looking to uh, we are not looking for 10-20% gain. We are looking to make a portfolio that will help you generate wealth in the next 2 to 3 years. And all of these companies that we have traded in are like are sound companies, and they have a good fundamentals. So you can look at the trading history as well. We have made like good returns in I guess Sequent. I think so we had bought Sequent at 178 levels. The average buying is around 170, and currently it is trading at around 276, 278. So over here, the main idea is to a generate a big amount of wealth. We are not looking for 10-20% wealth. We are looking for like a stock that is going to outperform in the next 5 years in terms of Nifty. Like if Nifty goes 10%, our stock should be going like around 20%, 30%. So over here, the trading, we have not traded like not actively as well. We trade usually on like 2 days. We take a position, and then we also keep cash as well. Whenever the market crashes, we keep a cash in hand as well. So this is the main idea. We like to help the people who cannot devote so much time into the markets. We do our analysis, we do the fundamental as well as the technical check. We have the team, and we try to like we have taken losses as well. As you can see, we have taken losses of around 9%, 1%. But as you can over here, you can see the profit percentage. We tend to ride around 35%, 40%. We tend to close out position whenever we are in loss as well. I have closed this position at 5%. We don't fear to close our positions when we go wrong. We will cut our losses like short, and we'll let our winners run the ride. So this is the main idea behind our concept of portfolio building service. Anything you want to add, Darshan?
No, that's perfect. And I think over the last 6 months, how we've developed this particular product is again, concentrated positions in select stocks. So you need not have 20 stocks, with an allocation of 5%. Rather we can look to build 5 stocks in your portfolio with allocation of 15, 20%, 30%, depending on the conviction in the particular thesis. So here we'll be looking at the sectors which we think, are going to perform in the next 2 months, which looks good on our analysis, on the data analysis that we do. We'll be selecting good companies. If you see the list of stocks that Archit mentioned were all quality companies. I hardly saw any stock which was a micro cap or a small cap. All the companies, I think only Yes Bank I'm seeing is one of the companies. I think वो भी greedy होगा.
You can see the allocation as well. You can see the allocation is below 1% in Yes Bank. If you see, this is a 2021. So you can see the allocation. I usually depend Laurus Lab. I am like very bullish on Laurus Lab. So the allocation like changes according to that thing. Like fundamental plus technical. If I have a high allocation, then I look to add.
Correct. And I think with Laurus, I think one of the screenshots that even Archit had posted.
Yeah, right.
Every breakout has been bought. So we are not. See, I was mentioning this point in one of our earlier webinars also कि retail की mindset में क्या बड़ी दिक्कत है या कौन सी बड़ी mistake है. what people try to do is, अगर मैंने कोई position ली, ठीक है, today I had funds of 1 lakh rupees, I will buy today a stock at 100 rupees. वो जब ऊपर जाएगा ना, मेरे पास जब पैसा होगा मैं उसमें नहीं डालूंगा. मेरा सोच ऐसा रहेगा as a retail that I bought this at 100. How can I buy it at 120 or 130? I will wait for it to come back at 100. Then I will add if I want to add. Rather, on the contrary, जब position नीचे जाती है, suppose कोई चीज 100 में ली, वो 80 हुई, we'll add more. That becomes 60, we'll add more. We'll keep averaging a losing trade. What happens with that is when you average a stock which has gone below your buy price, initial buy price, आपका average is still above the price at which it is trading. समझो मैंने कोई चीज 100 में ली, आज इसका भाव 80 हो गया, मैंने आज 80 में और बाय किया. My average price is still 90. Even after averaging, I am in a loss. You look at it this way that, I added a position at 100 rupees. Now the company is doing well. The results have been good. Technically it's looking much solid. Volumes have come in. Institution is buying. Now it is 120. I have the funds. Now it is looking good for 150. Now I should not be afraid to add it. मेरे को अभी 120 पे और quantity खरीदनी चाहिए. What happens when you do this is, मैंने 120 में कोई स्टॉक खरीदा, मैंने पिरामिड किया वो पोजीशन को, माय एवरेज इज स्टिल 110, मतलब आई एम स्टिल इन प्रॉफिट. वो माइंडसेट रिटेल का डेवलप नहीं हो रहा है. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है व्हेन यू आर लुकिंग टू add, create a quality portfolio and do positional equity. You need to ensure you buy what is in momentum, what is fundamentally good, and where the fundamentals are improving and technically it is looking good for a quick rise. So I think what Archit did with Loris Lab is not a product of this particular year. We've been trading and investing in Loris Lab since last year. Last year 300 से 350 रुपए से once I think 350 में जो फंड एग्जिट किया था, उसके बाद इट वेंट ऑल द वे अप टू 1500 इन द स्पैन ऑफ 6 months. उसके बाद एक बहुत बड़ा कंसोलिडेशन, अगेन इट स्टार्टेड गिविंग ब्रेकआउट्स एंड अभी वापस इट्स डबल फ्रॉम देयर. सो 450 वाली आइटम आज 3000 का भाव है टेक्निकली स्पीकिंग, इफ यू कंसीडर द स्प्लिट एंड बोनस एंड एवरीथिंग. So you have to ensure that you buy quality stocks where you're seeing long term कोई vision है, and you try to book out 30, 35, 40%, move to next story, next stock, next script, next sector. And this is how we'll be able to maximize the returns on a particular investment. And this is what we are going to focus for all our CGCM stage 1 clients also going forward, and with our portfolio building service as well. So both these products, the idea is going to be that we'll be buying quality stocks. Portfolio building थोड़ा सा longer term vision लेके काम करेंगे, where we are looking to add from a longer term vision. CGCM stage 1 will be thoda short term, where we'll be looking to churn positions after booking 20-30%, 20-30%, where we are seeing a technical breakout which can give us 20%. We'll trade that setup, and once we book 20%, जो target है pattern का, उधर हम book करेंगे. We'll not look for a continuation pattern unless we are very very sure or having a very high conviction. Then it's a different scenario. But mota moti from a trader's point of view also, the point of spending this first 15 minutes on this particular discussion is ये mindset change करना जरूरी है. And if you can buy good stocks and sit on it, wealth will be created in equity markets. You don't have to keep rolling your positions and keep buying and selling, buying and selling. वो जरूरी नहीं है. This portfolio is a classic example. FNO, intraday, everything was has underperformed, and only equity positional जो काम किया उसमें पैसा बना है. So let us move our mindsets also towards this, more safer for your capital. At any point you will not deplete your capital. If you go wrong on one bet, you have 3-4 bets which are going to cover up, and concentrated positions. These position nahi banani hai. We will make 5-6 positions on your capital, 7 positions on your capital, which where the allocation will be such that jidhar highest conviction hai, we'll be putting more chunk of capital on that. So you all can consider this particular product. For details, you can reach out to Archit, or you can reach out to me or any of my teammate. We'll share you the details of this particular product. And I think that's about it from my end. We can start with today's discussion on the number of stocks from the Twitter thread.
Yeah. So firstly, we'll cover the Bank Nifty and Nifty. We'll look what important levels are there and whether Bank Nifty and Nifty are going to go up or down. So And after that, whatever the names we have got on the Twitter thread, we select some of those, and you can start writing on the YouTube live as well. Our team will select the best of the lot amongst the sections, and we'll cover that as well. So starting with, I'll start with Bank Nifty chart. So I think so. So this is the concept that I had posted on Twitter. I'll just look at the I'll just I think so. Yeah. So this is the concept which is the most important in technical analysis, which people usually forget. So the concept is like, generally speaking, charts of the same commodity and equity tend to have similar sequences, which tend to repeat over and over again. They seem to favor certain behavior patterns. So what does this mean is that all the if a stock is making an inverse head and shoulder pattern on a monthly time frame or on a weekly time frame, it will usually make such patterns on the lower time frame as well. And if you spot that pattern, then it has a high probability of giving a breakout. So these are the behavior patterns, because in every stock there is an operator, and he has a tendency of how to exit the weak holders and all those things. So one important thing, you whenever you look at the chart, is to understand what pattern does it make and how does the particular commodity or a equity moves. So looking at the Bank Nifty pattern, first of all, I am spotting over here like three inverse head and shoulder patterns. So the first inverse head and shoulder pattern is this one. So as you can see, this is the left hand shoulder. This is the right. This is the head, I guess. I've written it wrong. Okay, so this is the head and this is the right hand shoulder. As you can see, once it broke out from the neckline of 33,500, it went till 34,000, came to retest that particular range, and then again went till 35,000. So this is one head and shoulder pattern. This is another head and shoulder pattern which is currently being made on the 4-hourly chart, and this is a bigger head and shoulder pattern on a bigger time frame. This is the left shoulder, this is the right, and this is the head. So as you can see, once this this pattern is broken out, like once Bank Nifty crosses 35,700, we can expect Bank Nifty to reach 38,000. So for Bank Nifty, the important levels, it is all looking it is looking good on the 4-hourly chart as well as on the weekly chart. You can see over here as well, it will, if it breaks out from around 35,700 or 35,800, you can see a cup and handle pattern as well. So this is a cup, and this is the handle which is being formed. So 35,700 and 35,800 is a very important level for Bank Nifty, and if it crosses that particular level, uh, I am expecting like it can go till 38,000 and ultimately to 42,000. So Bank Nifty is looking very good on every time frame, whether it be a 4-hourly chart or a daily chart or a weekly chart. So this was the levels for important levels for Bank Nifty, and I think so for tomorrow purpose, if Bank Nifty uh, crosses 35,500, it will be in momentum as well on the intraday time frame. If you want to go long on support levels, I guess any dip to this particular level, I think so this particular level will act as a support zone, that is 35,800 till 35,000. That is this 34,800 to 35,000 is a very good support zone for Bank Nifty. If you don't want to go long on the breakout level, uh, look to enter at the support level. So the important levels over here is 34,800 to 35,000 if you get an entry over here. Else, if it crosses 35,500 levels, you can look to enter Bank Nifty with the first target of 35,750, and once that is crossed, I am expecting new highs in Bank Nifty. The next chart we are going to look is at Nifty, and as you can see, this is the inverse head and shoulder HNS continuation pattern which has been formed on the Nifty as well. The important levels over here is 15,900 levels, and once that is crossed, that is 15,900, if that is crossed and it is sustained for I guess around if this is an hourly chart, so if there are two candles above 15,900, then we might be looking Nifty for the first time above 16,000 level. So as you can see over here, this is the hourly chart formation. I had posted the same on the weekly analysis as well. So this is another example of how patterns tend to repeat. So this was the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. So as you can see, once the neckline was crossed from 12,500 or 12,600, how quickly it went till 15,000 or 14,000 levels. So this pattern of Nifty and Bank Nifty, it tends to form the inverse, like the HNS continuation pattern in general. So you have to like look out for these patterns on every time frame, because this is how that particular chart is showing a behavior pattern. You are not seeing any other pattern. I think so you can see a flag pattern or a channel pattern, but inverse head and shoulder pattern or HNS continuation pattern has a higher probability of being into success. So I am bullish on Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Nifty needs to cross 15,900 and needs to sustain for at least 2 hours, and then once it does that, I think so we are looking at new highs of 16,200. Considering the COVID cases, I think so the delta cases are rising, although the market it might have some negative impact, but strictly looking at the price action, if it crosses and sustains above this level, one should look to go long. So this was the analysis on Nifty and Bank Nifty. And let us start from the weekend chart study. Darshan, can you start telling out the names?
So first is Surat Textile.
Seems like a penny stock, I guess.
नाम तो काफी बढ़िया है.
हाँ, सूरत, nice. I think so काफी पुरानी कंपनी भी है, 2004 से listed है. It is giving a monthly breakout and with a good volume as well. So technically it is looking good on a monthly chart. If it breaks out, you can like फिर तो 16 का टारगेट है, रेक्टेंगुलर कंसोलिडेशन से निकल रहा है. डेली चार्ट पे देख लेते हैं. डेली चार्ट पे भी ये नया ब्रेकआउट टाइप दे रहा है. So technically this stock is looking good. The trend is up. You can look to buy this stock. पर थोड़ा इसका फंडामेंटल चेक कर देना थोड़ा. I don't know about the fundamentals, but technically काफी अच्छी लग रही है. It can easily give good momentum till 10, 12, 14 levels. So Surat Textile is a good pick. अच्छा था ये.
Next one is HFCL.
I think so. The volume भी काफी, weekly volume भी काफी ज्यादा था ये time. We have to check on
Last 3 weeks से अच्छा volume कर रहा.
देखना पड़ेगा ये काम. Nice. Next one is
HFCL.
HFCL.
Himachal Futuristic.
So yes, HFCL has broken out from an ascending triangle pattern. उसका breakout level था कुछ 53, 55 levels. It went till 71 levels. I guess अभी उसको थोड़ा cool down होने को आया है. So look to enter this stock. इसके support levels are 58.60. If it comes to this particular level, it is a very good bet. मतलब अच्छा bet है, because on the weekly time frame it has given a big breakout. And the the ultimate target for HFCL is, I think so, around 75, 80, 85 levels. So try करो इसको add करने का support पे. Like 58 to 60 levels is a good support level. You can place your stop loss below 50 for a targets of 70, 75. अगर आपको breakout chase करना है तो once it crosses 70 levels, then you can look to enter this stock. But HFCL, it is looking good, very good on the monthly as well as the weekly chart as well.
Great. Next one is Karur Vysya Bank.
Spelling?
Karur.
Karur.
हाँ,
Okay.
Karur Vysya Bank.
इसका मंथली रेजिस्टेंस काफी बड़ा है, आई गेस 61 से 65. आई एम नॉट, मेरे हिसाब से ये लेवल तो क्रॉस करना मुश्किल है. यू कैन सी सम रिजेक्शन एज वेल फ्रॉम दीज पर्टिकुलर लेवल्स. ये दो विक्स है. सो look to add this stock on support. Daily chart इसका अच्छा है. Daily chart series of higher high and higher lows है. So I think so. Just draw it out. Yes. तो अगर आपको अराउंड 48 टिल ऐसा 47 48 पे मिल रहा है, देन यू कैन लुक टू गो लॉन्ग, बट इसका अपसाइड लिमिटेड है. अपसाइड इट इज लिमिटेड टिल 55 एंड मैक्सिमम टिल 60 फॉर नाउ. वंस इट क्रॉसेस 60 देन इट विल बी इन अप ट्रेंड, but currently you can look to add, if you want to add, you can look to add in the range of 46 to 48, which is a very good support zone, because as it this was the resistance zone, it will become a support zone going forward. So yes, the daily trend it is upwards, but on the monthly time frame it is facing a big resistance at 60 to 65 levels. So जब भी वो लेवल्स के पास आए, then you can look to book profits. Otherwise अपन सपोर्ट पे अपन एंटर करके रेजिस्टेंस पे बेच सकते हैं. This is another strategy.
Correct.
Next one.
Next one is Easy Trip.
Ease my trip है क्या ये?
Ease My Trip है, उसने गलत लिखा हुआ.
ठीक है, आई थिंक सो. Ease My Trip काफी अच्छा लग रहा है. आई थिंक ये ओपन अप थीम जब भी वापस आएगा, देन इट कैन बी इन मोमेंटम. Currently इसका जो 20-day EMA will be acting as a support zone for Ease My Trip. It is forming a pennant formation as well. You can see a pennant formation. RSI चेक कर लेते हैं. RSI भी इसका 59 है, तो इसका RSI का सपोर्ट जोन वुड बी 50. ये बुलिश जोन है तो 50 पे रहेगा. अगर ये नीचे आए, अपने को ये लेवल्स पे मिले अराउंड 350 लेवल्स, देन इट इज अ वेरी गुड बाय आई गेस. ईज माई ट्रिप्स, कंसिडरिंग अभी इंडिया में भी लॉकडाउन खुलेगा, तो आई थिंक सो इसको काफी बेनिफिट मिलेगा, सेंटिमेंटल वैल्यू भी बढ़ेगा इसका. So you can look to add around 350 to 360 levels. It has a good support at this particular levels, and it has a breakout at 415 levels. So anyways, दो ways में आप trade कर सकते हो, but मेरे हिसाब से 350 to 360 levels for short term it is a very good entry point. आपको आराम से 10% मिल सकता है, एंड कंसिडरिंग ये ब्रेकआउट हुआ तो आपको मच हाई, इट हैज अ मच हायर टारगेट्स ऑफ अराउंड 460 एंड 500 एंड सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ.
Perfect. Next one, Kilpest.
I think so. It was on circuit Friday को. काफी सही चार्ट बना है किलपेस्ट का. I think monthly breakout दे रहा है after a long time, and this will be a fancy script because ये काफी आई थिंक सो कभी से एक साल का ब्रेकआउट दे रहा है. आई थिंक सो 3 अगस्त को उसने 530 का हाई बनाया था, या कौन सा था हाई, आई जस्ट चेक. 517 का हाई था, एंड इट हैज ब्रोकन आउट फ्रॉम अ कंसोलिडेशन ऑफ ऑलमोस्ट 10 months. सो दिस इज अ वेरी, ये काफी फैंसी स्क्रिप्ट भी है, एंड दिस इज लुकिंग गुड एज वेल. सो यू कैन लुक टू गो लॉन्ग. टारगेट्स तो काफी लंबे है, बट आई गेस अगर ऐसा देखना है, अगर ये सस्टेन कर रहा है, इफ इट सस्टेन्स अबव 500, देन यू कैन गेट अराउंड 650 एंड 700 इन
जुलाई मंथ का कैंडल है ना अर्चित?
कौन सा?
जून मंथ का कैंडल है ना, सॉरी
अगस्त मंथ का कैंडल है जो हाई मारा था ना शूटिंग स्टार का.
नहीं, ये अपना जो लास्ट मंथ, दैट इज जून, राइट?
या दैट इज जून.
आई थिंक इट विल क्लोज अबव, ब्रेकआउट देके क्लोज करेगा शायद, विक नहीं बनाएगा.
राइट. हाँ, तो अगर अपना मंथली क्लोज अपने को मिल गया 550 के ऊपर भी, तो ये तो काफी फैंसी स्क्रिप्ट भी है. आई थिंक सो कोविड रिलेटेड भी है, फैंसी स्क्रिप्ट है, वॉल्यूम्स आर आल्सो गुड, एंड काफी.
इसका एक बार खाली डिलीवरी परसेंटेज चेक कर लेना स्टॉकेज पे या किसी पे भी, whoever is looking to invest.
एनएससी में है ये?
NSE पे है किलपेस्ट?
नहीं है एनएससी पे. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट वन.
ठीक है, नेक्स्ट वन देखते अपन. Just check the delivery percentage, whoever is looking to invest. Balaji Amines, next one.
So Balaji Amines काफी सही है. It is consolidating. As you can see, ये blue line is a 20-week moving average. अभी consolidate हो रहा है. It is kind of making a flag type formation, but in case Balaji Amine corrects till like around 2000 level or 2200 levels, it is a must buy because क्यों ये इसका पहले रेजिस्टेंस था वो सपोर्ट भी बन जाएगा एंड एज यू कैन सी ये येलो लाइन के नीचे कभी भी क्लोज नहीं दिया है ऑन अ वीकली टाइम फ्रेम सो इसका सपोर्ट का एंट्री इट इज लुकिंग गुड otherwise as well it is looking good ये consolidation phase में ही है अभी it has a breakout of around once it closes about 2900 levels on a daily time frame yes that is 2900 levels के ऊपर जब close करेगा then it will break out and the target of this breakout will be around कितना है ये 60 points है so the target of Balaji Amines would be 3500 levels so दो रेंजेस दिए एक रेंज है अराउंड 2200 लेवल्स अगर करेक्शन में आपको मिलता है अगर आपको करेक्शन में नहीं मिलता सो वंस इट क्लोजेस अबाउट द 2900 मार्क्स then you can look to enter with a target of 3500 level as you can see there is
just one more thing I think I want to caution people once आज मॉर्निंग में कुछ न्यूज़ था ना जम्मू रिलेटेड टेरर अटैक का
okay
there's some update from that
okay.
side so be cautious थोड़ा सा regarding this Jammu terror attack thing today which has happened थोड़ा मार्केट रिएक्ट करेगा शायद इसके ऊपर जस्ट मैंने अभी जस्ट देखा
okay
drones are used to bomb IAF stations in Jammu there's some update high alert Punjab is on high alert so थोड़ा शायद मंडे थोड़ा तो जो भी चीजें सपोर्ट पे लेनी है वो लिस्ट बना के रखो
yeah और right now the markets are as well such ऐसा कि जो breakouts हो रहे हैं वो fail हो रहे हैं so even my
Exactly.
approach has changed कि मैं support पे लेता हूँ breakout पे इतना मेरे को confident नहीं रहता है basically
नहीं I think that is always a better strategy थोड़ा वेट करना पड़ता है but at least you know that the downside is limited
yeah.
you can hold it and eventually वो bounce करके उसको जो अपने targets achieve करना है वो करेगा it will not wait for you and me the stock will move better is to you know risk your capital where the reward मतलब risk to reward ratio is very favorable वो चीज है next stock अपन देखते हैं अभी Kotak Bank this is looking good Kotak Bank
yes I guess as you can see Kotak Bank का this is a weekly chart we are looking at उसका काफी बड़ा रेजिस्टेंस था 1700 लेवल्स ये ऑलमोस्ट आई गेस कितना टाइम उससे स्पेंड किया डेट रेंज
बहुत ही टाइम स्पेंड कर लिया इसने
मतलब ये 10 महीना उसको लगा था वो 1700 लेवल्स का मार्क को ब्रेकआउट देने का एंड जब भी उससे ब्रेकआउट दिया 1700 लेवल्स का वो अराउंड 2000 लेवल तक गया था and then it has again came to retest this particular levels and it has retested around 4 times and every time it has reversed from 1650 to 1700 levels so जैसे अपन ने बैंक निफ्टी का चार्ट भी देखा बैंक निफ्टी इज लुकिंग वेरी गुड चार्टिकली स्पीकिंग एज पर फ्राइडे क्लोजिंग सो अगर अपने को ये अराउंड 1700 लेवल्स मिल रहा है या 1650 लेवल्स मिल रहा है कोटक बैंक इज लुकिंग वेरी अट्रैक्टिव बिकॉज इट हैज अ वेरी गुड सपोर्ट जोन यूजुअली क्या होता है जब भी सपोर्ट ब्रेक होता है सॉरी रेजिस्टेंस ब्रेक होता है वो सपोर्ट बन जाता है नेक्स्ट टाइम के लिए एंड वी कैन सी इट क्लियरली ओवर हियर हर टाइम ये इधर से रिवर्स किया है भले कितना भी बेरिश कैंडल हो एज यू कैन सी ये 4 महीने का एकदम बेरिश कैंडल था नेक्स्ट मंथ वो यही लेवल दैट इज 1700 लेवल से वो 2000 लेवल तक गया था सो कोटक बैंक ऑन अ वीकली टाइम फ्रेम इट इज लुकिंग वेरी गुड एंड आई थिंक सो 1650 टू 1700 वो ब्रेक नहीं करेगा
correct next one is Reliance Industries
everyone is asking about Reliance after the AGM so as you can see over here ये ट्रेंड लाइन ब्रेकआउट दिस इज अ सिमेट्रिकल ट्रायंगल फॉर्मेशन उसका सक्सेस रेट इतना ज्यादा नहीं है यूजुअली लाइक सीएमटी के बुक्स में ऐसा लिखा है जो स्लैंटिंग ट्रेंड लाइंस रहते हैं या सिमेट्रिकल ट्रायंगल्स रहते हैं उसका फेलियर रेट काफी ज्यादा है सो यू कैन लुक फॉर मल्टीपल सपोर्ट जोन so over here as you can see I think so 2040 is acting as a very good support zone for Reliance as well as वो trend line resistance का retest level भी है so I guess you can look to add near 2040 levels only. ये वापस रेजिस्टेंस लिया इसने कुछ 2200 लेवल्स 2220 लेवल्स पे, तो आई थिंक सो ये लेवल से घूमना चाहिए, दैट इज 2040 से 2050 में। वंस इट वो उधर से घूम के वो वापस ट्राई कर सकता है 2200 2300 लेवल का मार्क को तोड़ने का। सो दिस इज लुकिंग गुड रिलायंस।
One more thing, I think with the AGM, it was more of a boring AGM this time around, but the intent of a tech, not a tech, but from being an energy-oriented company to move to retail and then to enter the telecom industry. Now coming back, focusing on energy, renewable energy as the new source. I think one thing I was today morning I was actually watching CNBC for a change. I don't generally do that on Sundays, but I was hearing Mr. Dinesh Kanabar from Dhruva Advisory, one of the very finest minds. And one thing that he mentioned is that this is a big step in Reliance history. Thoda time lag sakta hai, but it shows the intent of the company to be a conglomerate in its truest sense, and the fact that it is still focusing on its energy business, which was it's traditionally energy is the reason why Reliance का foundation है. Reliance is such a big giant because of its energy business. Newer legs have in that area will obviously help. From the longer term perspective, there's nothing to worry. Stay invested. From technically speaking, I think थोड़ा ये चार्ट थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग भी लग रहा है, डबल बॉटम भी लग रहा है, डेली पे ब्रेकडाउन भी लग रहा है, काफी सारी चीजें हैं. But as Archit mentioned, try to find good support. These are fundamentally beast companies. थोड़ा टाइम लगाएगा, कंसोलिडेट होगा, कोटक बैंक, रिलायंस, but these are always in any fall these are the companies that you need to look to buy. So that was one thing from my side. Next stock
SBI card देख लेते हैं, then we'll like
SBI cards.
So SBI card का I think so there was a block deal at this particular level of around 1000 levels पे block deal हुआ था, and we'll look at the moving average first कि इसका moving average support क्या है. Sorry. So as you can see, blue line is a 200-day moving average, and it has a very good support level. इसका resistance था around 900 to like 875 to 900 levels. I guess SBI cards will keep on taking support whenever it reaches the 920 to 930 mark. So ये swing trading के लिए काफी बड़ा good opportunity है. The trend is up. You can look to buy this particular stock in the range of, it has a very good support area. I think मैं वापस बना देता हूँ. Yes. So इसका trend line support area भी है, 200-day moving average भी है. So whenever a stock comes near the 200-day moving average, और अगर stock uptrend में है, वो level it usually doesn't break, मतलब breakdown इतना जल्दी नहीं होता. So तो उसका entry level काफी अच्छा है, that is 920 to 940 zone. So accumulation zone है, थोड़ा time लग सकता है because this won't be in momentum, but you will get a better entry levels once it comes near this level, as well as breakout level is spoken. Once it crosses the 1020 mark, then it can head towards new highs of like 1100 1150, and then ultimately a new high. You can see a cup and a handle formation as well. I'll just mark it out. ये कप बना है, ये हैंडल बना है. सो यूजुअली क्या होता है, जब भी एक ऐसा चार्ट फॉर्मेशन बनता है, कप एंड हैंडल फॉर्मेशन, एंड वो जब भी ब्रेक होता है, तो जितने भी लोग ये चार्ट फॉर्मेशन देख के एंटर किए थे ऑन द टेक्निकली स्पीकिंग, वो एग्जिट हो जाते हैं. दैट इज व्हाई यू कैन सी अ बिग करेक्शन फ्रॉम 1120 लेवल्स टिल 940 लेवल्स. सो वापस अभी ये स्टॉक ट्राई करेगा ये लेवल तक जाने का, तो जब भी वापस 1150 लेवल आएगा, जिन लोग ने पहले लॉस किया है वो एंटर नहीं करेंगे ये पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक, बिकॉज दिस इज हाउ द ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी वर्क्स. So I guess it will again try to form a cup and a handle formation or some kind of a accumulation formation, and then it will head towards new high of 1200 levels. This stock is looking good for a long term perspective. So 920 940 is a very good zone for SBI cards. Next one.
I think SBI कार्ड्स का जो IPO का हाई था वो कितना था?
आई थिंक सो ये था 760 जब ये लिस्ट हुआ था तभी, राइट?
हाँ, लिस्ट होने के बाद आई थिंक इट डिडंट मूव एंड देन इट्स मूव्ड, काफी बार रीटेस्ट किया IPO हाई. सो आई थिंक उसके ऊपर का जो हाई अराउंड 9 860 टू 900 इज अ वेरी वेरी बिग लेवल, वो नहीं टूटेगा.
राइट, वही मतलब अपना 200 डे मूविंग एवरेज कोइंसाइड कर रहा है
वो नहीं
लाइक दिस,
टूटेगा.
लाइक ट्रेंड भी ऊपर है, देन लाइक एंड यू कैन सी मल्टीपल, द अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज मल्टीपल विक्स ओवर हियर. ये विक्स का इसका मतलब ये रहता है कि accumulation, the buyers are interested to buy at this particular levels of 900 to 920 930 levels. So कभी भी correction आए ये level दिखे तो you can like you can plan a swing trade as well over here. Stop loss लगा दो around 880 870 levels and then you can get a good gain over here. The next one.
Next one is Andhra Petro.
Fine. मंथली चार्ट पे रेजिस्टेंस लेवल पे ही है बेसिकली. आई गेस डेली चार्ट इसका काफी अच्छा है. वी हैड स्पॉटेड आंध्रा पेट्रो एट अराउंड 75 70 75 लेवल्स, बट ये वीकली चार्ट kind of a shooting star formation hai, which means that the sellers the buyers are losing strength. So better to add this stock if you want to add this stock again at the level of 70 71 75. पर ये काफी बड़ा ड्रॉडाउन हो जाएगा क्या बोलते हैं ऑन अ वीकली चार्ट पर से. सो डेली चार्ट पे इतना मेरे को बुलिश नहीं लग रहा है unless and until it corrects till the level of 80 85 levels, 80 85 levels, then again it is a good bet to go long. But on a weekly time frame I think so इसका 120 का काफी बड़ा रेजिस्टेंस है और उधर काफी बड़े सेलर्स आ रहे हैं. So better to enter the stocks when it corrects down. So 80 to 85 level is a very good
काफी
accumulation.
भागा भी है ना यार ये, आई थिंक इन द लास्ट it's
काफी
moved
भाग गया
almost 40 45%.
है, राइट. अगर अपन लास्ट ईयर कंसिडर करें नवंबर में इट वाज 30 एंड अराउंड 120 चला गया है वो ऑलरेडी. सो बेटर टू ऐड द स्टॉक्स नियर द सपोर्ट लेवल, सो आपको एंट्री लेवल अच्छा मिलेगा. अदरवाइज अगर मोमेंटम रहा तो आपको पैसा ही मिलेगा बट द रिस्क इज हायर ओवर देयर. So at points where Nifty is trading at near like 15,900 levels, it doesn't make sense to add stocks on breakout because it is more like a gambling. मतलब risk reward आपका favorable नहीं है basically.
Correct. More of a day trade करना हो तो अलग बात है, but positionally these are going to be at times going to trap you and keep your capital blocked for a longer period of time. फिर आप loss book करके निकलोगे नहीं, because the human psychology is why to book a loss, भाव आ जाएगा. That is one of the biggest reasons why I think everybody is bullish in the markets, कि सबका भाव आ रहा है.
Right.
जिस दिन भाव आना बंद हो जाएगा उस दिन आपको पता चलेगा इक्विटी मार्केट में पैसा जब अटकता है तो कैसे अटकता है. Because we've seen that in 2018 2019 for 2 years, absolutely lackluster markets. Stock specific movements होगी, but that is where we need to realize कि भाई कौन सी strategy is more beneficial. So as Archit rightly mentioned, now it's the time to not chase breakouts. Look for stocks at support. Keep a small stop loss. जितना छोटा stop loss हो पाएगा उतना अच्छा है. मतलब आपके पैटर्न पे जो स्टॉप लॉस बैठ रहा है वो छोटे से छोटा हो, उसकी ट्राई करो, so that at least if you don't make quick money you will at least not burn money very very quick. So keep that thing in mind. With that we'll move to the next stock, Sumitomo Chemical. A very fine company, personally speaking. You can stay invested from fundamental point of view. Sumitomo Chemical.
So yeah, this is looking good. I think so. काफी थोड़ा स्लो मूविंग स्टॉक है बट इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए काफी अच्छा है. इट हैज अ वेरी गुड सपोर्ट लेवल. पहले सपोर्ट लेवल बता देता हूँ, दैट इज अराउंड 330 लेवल्स टू 335 लेवल्स. आई गेस 350 लेवल से वो घूमना चालू हो जाएगा. जस्ट खाली वीकली में इसका इधर दिख रहा है कि the buyers are not in total control. काफी बड़ी बड़ी विक्स आ रही है इधर. It is not able to cross the 400 mark. So once it crosses that 400 marks, it will be in momentum. But for an investment per se, I think so. You can look to buy the stock whenever it corrects till around 350 levels. Once it corrects to 350, 335 levels, इसका risk मतलब आपका risk is almost 10%. आप 300 का stop loss लगा सकते हो, but the target is around 20, 30, 40% and higher.
Correct.
As you can
I think
see,
one thing that investment के लिए ना people should realize is that there are two ways of investing. One is आप थोड़ा थोड़ा हर time accumulate करते रहो. Once you know that the fundamentals are good, हर भाव पे monthly SIP चालू कर दो वो stocks में. Keep a small basket of stocks where you want to be a buyer, you know, every month, you know, every 15 days, whatever your frequency is. That is one way of investing. The other is wait for a bad day. मार्केट हर रोज ऊपर नहीं रहेगा, हर रोज मार्केट 15,000 का 16,000 नहीं हो जाएगा इतना. It's not going to happen in a straight line. So wait for days where you know there is news, there is some bad events happening. उस दिन डरो मत, उस दिन keep your, you know, shopping list ready and add stocks on bad days. You know, that will reward you in the from a portfolio or investing point of view.
And I think so अगर अपन Fibonacci and I think so pattern analysis के हिसाब से it has a target of around 450 levels. So in case market corrects on like in the coming days, and if you get an opportunity to buy this stock at 350, 330 levels, in my opinion, you can look to buy this particular stock. इसका targets काफी अच्छा है, like 450 is a very good target. Company is very sound as Darshan mentioned. So yes.
कंपनी वेरी गुड है. मैंने खुद ने भी लिया हुआ है 200 230 या 240 के रेंज में मैंने एंटर किया हुआ है.
एंड अपन ने ये देखे हुआ है कि एक्चुअली जो भी आईपीओ कंपनी रहती है वो स्टार्टिंग के 1-2 महीना नहीं चलेगी, बट उसके बाद में जो चलती है इट इज लाइक यू कैन नॉट लाइक कैच इट. सो इफ द आईपीओ कंपनी अच्छी है, उसका फंडामेंटल भी अच्छा है, देन यू शुड डेफिनेटली लुक टू बाय व्हेनेवर इट कम्स नियर सपोर्ट.
एग्जैक्टली. नेक्स्ट कॉन्फिडेंस पेट्रो. I think Airtel भी है. You want to cover Airtel or you leave it?
No, I leave it. Airtel, I don't think so. वो काफी वैसे भी it is a sideways stock, doesn't make sense to cover that stock. I think so. Confidence Petro का एक कप एंड हैंडल पैटर्न था जो इसने ब्रेकआउट दिया ऑन अ वीकली चार्ट. Right now it is consolidating in this particular tight range of around 57 till 67 levels. अगर आपको 50 लेवल्स पे आए, अगेन दिस इज अगेन एन इन्वेस्टमेंट स्टॉक. इसमें इतना जल्दी मोमेंटम आता नहीं है. इट इज नॉट अ ब्रेकआउट स्टॉक और समथिंग लाइक दैट. So there are two levels. Like I think so fundamentally this is a very sound company, Confidence Petro as well, जितना मेरे को आइडिया है. And technically also this is looking very good because it has a very big target, as आपको चार्ट पैटर्न बताया था. This is a cup, this is a very big cup, and this is a handle. Okay, so I look at the depth. So it has a target of 36 points from the breakout point. So if we calculate the target, the 36 points will come around till like 90-95 levels. So काफी अच्छी कंपनी है. You can look to buy either. First you can buy at 57 levels because वो एक minor support है, but the major support comes around till 48 to 50 levels. So in case आपको market correction पे 50 levels पे है, then look to buy. Targets are much higher of around 75-90 levels.
You can buy 50%. I think it's in a rectangle consolidation after the breakout.
Right.
Half of the Marubozu candle, जो breakout candle है, उसके half के आसपास ही trade कर रहा है अभी. I think almost half of the first green candle. So that can be a good entry point. You know, if market is under pressure, add on those days. And remaining 50% जो आपको लेना है वो जो retest होगा 48-49 levels पे जो retest होगा वहां पे add करो. With a stop loss of थोड़ा stop loss बड़ा रखना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से. 35 would be the most ideal stop loss from a positional point of view. The बड़ा stop loss होगा.
Yes. You have to keep it below the ये मतलब जो हैंडल का लेंथ लो है उसके नीचे रखना चाहिए. So 36.60 है तो अपन 35 रखेंगे because it's a round number.
Correct. So looks good. Next one is Renuka Sugars.
I think तो शुगर का काफी सही लग रहे चार्ट्स. Like रेणुका शुगर इज लुकिंग वेरी गुड. उसका आई थिंक सो कल रिजल्ट भी आया था. इन लोग ने केपेक्स भी काफी बड़ा किया है रेणुका शुगर में. On a monthly time frame, it is looking a bit extended, but because it is in momentum, you have to buy this stock. Like you have to at least make a small entry if you are a trend lover or thoda risk hai. Monthly, it has a target of around 60 levels. Once uh, अगर इससे monthly closing above 30 दे दिया, वो देने ही वाला है, I guess. Once it crosses above that, there is no resistance till 60 levels. So Renika Sugar and all the sugar companies are looking very good. तो ये काफी अच्छा लग रहा है रेणुका शुगर.
करेक्ट. आई थिंक एक चीज जो अपन ने नोटिस करी ना अर्चित लास्ट 3-4 वीक से, जस्ट वन थिंग दैट आई वुड लाइक टू ऐड, अगर सब लोग बुलिश है ना कोई पर्टिकुलर सेक्टर पे, तो वो वीक के लिए वो सेक्टर छोड़ दो.
राइट.
हमने ये मेटल्स में भी देखा, हमने ये आई थिंक सीमेंट स्टॉक्स में भी देखा, यू नो द where everybody is bullish on a particular sector for that particular week, just leave that sector. वो सेक्टर को टच ही मत करो, देखो ही मत, सब मिलेगा नीचे के भाव पे.
Right.
And Renuka Sugar, I think on a personal front, one of my client was invested heavily. तो उसने पोजीशन थोड़ी लाइट की है, तो शायद ये करेक्शन दे थोड़ा.
राइट. एंड आई थिंक सो चार्ट पे इसका सपोर्ट भी, अगर जिनको सपोर्ट पे ऐड करना है, एंड those who have the patience, so like you can look for a level from 20 to 25 levels. अगर वो लेवल पे आया, then it is a very good entry point, because it has corrected from 35 to 25, which is a good 30%. If it corrects, then I think so 25 to 30 is a very good level to enter for Renuka.
हाँ, वो भाव में accumulate कर सकते. करेक्ट.
राइट. अपन चैनल ब्रेकआउट देख सकते हैं, क्योंकि आई जस्ट सॉ दिस इज अ चैनल
But I
ब्रेकआउट.
think it is also a good long term pick. There's some, I think Bimal had attended the con call also. बात हो रहा था मेरा बिमल से भी. Good fundamentals, मतलब fundamentals are changing in the company.
Right.
थोड़ा करेक्शन होगा तो लेना चाहिए, because अभी थोड़ा सा extended लग रहा है.
The monthly targets are like near 100 levels if you see the channel breakout targets. So if it corrects, then it is a very good bet. Like you should definitely look to add.
And the volumes, just look at the volumes in the last 2-3 months. बहुत heavy volumes.
अगर अपन इसका डिलीवरी परसेंटेज चेक करेंगे तो भी थोड़ा अंडरस्टैंडिंग,
थोड़ा आइडिया आएगा. करेक्ट.
The next one.
ध्यान में रखो, this is a good looks like a good company to buy.
Yeah,
wait for a correction is what I would.
It might be undervalued as well, because काफी like beaten down stock दिख रहा है मेरे को.
And we've seen, I think we've seen EID, Perry, we've seen Dhampur and all, you know, Praj, the way they've moved. तो sugar stocks moves, मतलब cyclical businesses ऐसे ही चलते हैं, जब चलते हैं तो one side चलता है.
I think so. I have made a thread as well on this thing, like this. This is Avadh Sugar ka chart. You can see all the charts are looking like are their all-time high के आजू बाजू है. So this is Balrampur, this is Dhampur Sugar. So in general, the sugar sectors are in like momentum. Just अभी अपने को entry कहाँ करना है, that will vary if you want to enter at support or if you want to go for a breakout level. But sugar,
if you're looking for a trade, I think keep a stop loss and trade. Then it's not an issue. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आपका stop loss खा लेगा. Keep 5, 10, 15 minute चार्ट का एक closing basis stop loss रख के trade करो. अगर चेज कर रहे हो तो, बट कीप अ स्टॉप लॉस. डोंट बी, यू नो, डोंट चेज अ ब्रेकआउट एंड देन डोंट नॉट हैव अ स्टॉप लॉस. ऑलवेज अगर चेज कर रहे हो तो उसका स्टॉप लॉस रख के काम करो. बट इसका स्टॉप लॉस भी क्या रखोगे, मेरे को समझ नहीं आएगा. ये बहुत
बेसिकली रेणुका का जो अपर सर्किट या डाउन सर्किट रहता है,
सर्किट तो सर्किट चला है रे, ये पूरा 5% सर्किट मार के
तो
चला
यू
है.
कैन लुक फॉर लाइक दूसरा कोई शुगर स्टॉक ले लो, लाइक बलरामपुर इज वेरी गुड स्टॉक. यू कैन लुक फॉर धामपुर और अवध शुगर एज वेल. सो इफ यू वांट टू रिस्क को कम करना है तो वैसा.
करेक्ट.
नेक्स्ट वन
इज सरल, SAREL, सरल.
we'll look to skip the stock. Sangam Renewables, there is nothing to like discuss.
Sangam Renewables.
I think just chartically speaking, I can tell ये जो blue line है, it is looking as a good moving average support for Sangam Renewables. बट काफी रिस्की है, अपर सर्किट या लोअर सर्किट में काम करता है। इसमें रिस्क एलिमेंट काफी बड़ा है। मैंने ये देखा था अराउंड 20 लेवल्स, बट इट हैज ऑलरेडी गॉन टिल 120 लेवल्स, सो थोड़ा रिस्क है, बट बेटर टू अवॉइड दिस पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक at current levels। अगर थोड़ा करेक्ट होगा देन यू कैन लुक टू एंटर, बट ओवर जिसका रिस्क एपेटाइट ज्यादा है
आई
वही
थिंक
एंटर
इसमें
करना
वे
चाहिए।
अगर ये इसका ब्रेकडाउन आएगा ना, अगर ये मूविंग एवरेज का,
तो जाएगा तो
तो ये
इधर
मिलेगा अपने को अच्छे लेवल्स में मिलेगा।
फिर डायरेक्ट 50 का लेवल जाता है,
हाँ,
like if it breaks down that moving average level, so like
एंड यू सी द विक्स लास्ट
हम्म
3 कैंडल, इसके पहले का जो चार्ट था ना, मंथली था ना वो,
हाँ मंथली था,
उसमें धीरे धीरे विक्स बढ़ने लगे, देख।
राइट राइट। और यू कैन सी द बॉडी लेंथ भी कम होती है। पहले
कम हो रहा है।
पहले विक्स था ही नहीं, पहले के फर्स्ट जो 3 मंथ का था विक ही नहीं था, और अभी ऊपर ऊपर विक आने लग गया है, एंड बॉडी लेंथ भी कम होने लग गया है। सो इफ यू आर इन्वेस्टेड यू कैन लुक टू बुक प्रॉफिट्स एज वेल। आई थिंक सो ऑल टाइम हाई के आजू बाजू ही है। नया इन्वेस्टमेंट इफ इट करेक्ट्स देन ओनली ऐड दिस पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक। नेक्स्ट वन।
नेक्स्ट वन इज टाटा मेटालिक्स।
सो टाटा मेटालिक काफी अच्छा लग रहा है। आई थिंक सो, जस्ट अ सेकंड, मंथली चार्ट देख लेते हैं। So it had given its all-time breakout at around 950 levels, and you can see थोड़ा इधर ऊपर supply है, but for ये trading stock है भी नहीं वैसे भी, because it is a quite illiquid stock. So you can look to add this particular stock on the like 1050 level, because वो daily chart का उसका support level है, and considering the metals are back into action, I think so Friday काफी positive news भी आया था metals के लिए, then this stock would be in momentum once it crosses the 1200 mark, but better to add this stock once it like support पे ऐड करोगे तो आपको ज्यादा अच्छा रिटर्न मिलेगा। भले वो थोड़ा टाइम लगा सकता है, but it will definitely give you a good return if you are patient। Yeah, so Tata Metallics is looking good। Important level है 1200 level है, once it crosses that 1200 level then again it will be momentum, like momentum रहेगा 1400 1500 level तक जाने का।
सारेगामा नेक्स्ट।
सारेगामा काफी अच्छा लग रहा है। आई थिंक जो सारेगामा एंड टिप्स इंडस्ट्रीज दे आर लुकिंग द बेस्ट। डेली चार्ट पे इन लोगों ने ब्रेकआउट दिया, असेंडिंग ट्रायंगल ब्रेकआउट है। इट इज अ गुड पिक फॉर मोमेंटम पिक एज वेल। यू कैन लुक टू एंटर दिस स्टॉक अबाउट 2800। आप स्टॉप लॉस रख सकते हो बिलो 2500 लेवल्स, एंड यू कैन गिव अ गुड रिटर्न। लाइक इसका टारगेट बता देता हूँ। सो द टारगेट इज अराउंड I think so 300 points. So 300 points from 2700 levels, so around 3200 levels अपने को आ सकता है सारेगामा में, and it has recently broken out on daily chart as well। next one।
वॉल्यूम्स नहीं था ना खाली ये ग्रीन कैंडल्स में, एक डोजी है फिर।
कंसिडरिंग हाँ मतलब एवरेज वॉल्यूम ही था ये, जो बड़े बड़े वॉल्यूम आए थे वो नहीं थे।
वॉल्यूम है भी नहीं, बहुत
इलिक्विड स्टॉक है।
हाँ लिक्विड है, करेक्ट करेक्ट।
यूट्यूब पे कोई आए क्या दर्शन? वी कैन
रुक मैं
कवर।
अच्छा, एक एडीएफ फूड्स देखना ना, इसके अंदर लिस्ट में है अपना। आई वाज आल्सो चेकिंग एडीएफ फूड, मेरे को थोड़ा ब्रेकडाउन जैसा लग रहा है उसमें।
ओके काफी इलिक्विड स्टॉक है ये। 20 डे मूविंग एवरेज को वैसे भी, so I think I have to 50 या 50 डे का मतलब एट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लेवल्स है एडीएफ का अभी।
आई टेक सम क्वेरीज फ्रॉम यूट्यूब है इसके बाद।
हाँ आई थिंक सो 900 लेवल्स काफी इंपॉर्टेंट लेवल आ जाते हैं एडीएफ के लिए। अभी तो मेरे हिसाब से कंसोलिडेट ही करते रहेगा। आई एम नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग मोमेंटम इन कमिंग मंथ्स एज वेल। सो खाली वॉच रखो, अगर 900 लेवल थोड़ा टूट जाता है या इफ इट क्लोजेस बिलो द 900 लेवल्स then it can very well correct till around 700 650 levels। So like keep a watch, unless and until it doesn't closes below 900 level then it is looking good, not an issue।
Correct. Now I'll take 4-5 queries from YouTube. Rahil Ranka has asked, विमल पे क्या व्यू है भाई?
किसमें? विमल ऑयल.
I don't know the script name. एक बार script देख विमल करके. Vimal Oil and Food.
I think so. You should avoid this particular script. Beaten down script, better to avoid. Next one.
Next one is Rosari Biotech.
Rosari Biotech भी like you have to differentiate trading and investment stock. ये मेरे को लगता है मेरे लिस्ट में इन्वेस्टमेंट स्टॉक में आ जाएगा. रोजारी बायोटेक currently at a very good support level. उसका डेली मूविंग एवरेज अराउंड 1200 लेवल्स है और उसका रेजिस्टेंस है अराउंड 1300 लेवल्स. बट अगर आप इन्वेस्टमेंट करने की सोच रहे हो तो आई थिंक सो यू शुड वेट अराउंड 1100-1150 लेवल्स, देन इट इज लुकिंग गुड. बट ओवरऑल द ट्रेंड इज अबाउ, खाली मोमेंटम पे नहीं है ये पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक.
Or two tech companies, I think HCL Tech and TCS.
I think so the IT अभी मोमेंटम में आ रहा है. You can see TCS breaking out from an ascending triangle formation. थोड़ा वीकली चार्ट करता हूँ तो you get a better idea. So as you can see TCS का एक हैबिट है, एक उसका काफी बड़ा रेजिस्टेंस को whenever it crosses then it usually blasts. And considering the results season of IT in the coming weeks, I guess TCS would be moving till like if it crosses the 3,400 levels, then it can go till, I think so the target is around 2,800 and 500 points. So it will go till 3,800 and 4,800 in the 4,000 levels in the coming months. So TCS काफी अच्छा लग रहा है.
TCS अच्छा ये काफी अच्छा लग रहा है. 3,400 पे थोड़ा रेजिस्टेंस है, वो निकलेगा ना एक राउंड नंबर रेजिस्टेंस, so it can move.
You can look at the CNX IT chart भी, like it is constantly making new highs. It comes to retest and अभी last time इसने ये doji formation है, but once it crosses ये last day का high, that is 29,200 270 level, whatever it is, I think so the IT stocks would be in momentum. Accenture का रिजल्ट भी अच्छा था तो मेरे हिसाब से IT stocks अभी कल ऊपर ही खुलेंगे.
Some more from YouTube. Hind Copper.
Hind Copper is one of the favorite that people are asking. So first we look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart में कोई इतना टेंशन की बात नहीं लग रही है. Weekly chart में it is in a very steady uptrend and it has a very good support level at 110 till 115 levels. So weekly chart पे you don't have to like अगर आप इन्वेस्टमेंट करके बैठे हो तो कोई टेंशन की बात नहीं. अगर वो 110 and 115 levels आए, so it is looking good. But unless and until it closes above this 160 levels, I'm not expecting much from Hind Copper. जब भी ये क्लोज करेगा 160 लेवल के ऊपर, then again it will be in momentum and then we can see around again around 175, 185 and 190 levels. But short term trend basically अभी नेगेटिव हो गया. आई डोंट नो रिजल्ट्स कितने अच्छे थे या कितने खराब थे. थोड़ा कॉन्फ्लिक्टिंग व्यूज थे काफी लोगों के. But technically speaking, it has to close above 160 level for a potential upside. Yeah. Otherwise, you should look to add this particular stock would be very attractive if it comes near 110, 115 levels.
नहीं, I have one view in this. अगर आपको add भी करना है, I think add now at 150. Keep the low, जो ये green candle का low है. I think 135.05 was the low after the result day.
Right.
उतना ही लो था. वो 135 का स्टॉप लॉस लगा के इसको ट्रेड करो. Because you see there are 3, 4, 5 red candles back to back. Then there was a green candle which opened lower and almost उसने try किया कि अपना previous जो बड़ा red candle था उसको close करे उसके ऊपर.
Also इसका QIP I guess 125 पे इन लोगों ने इशू कराया था. So like I was assuming the worst case scenario, but मेरे हिसाब से अगर QIP 125 पे issue करा है, I am not expecting it to go below 125.
हाँ, that will be a short term bottom for the particular stock. Worst में worst उधर तक आएगा वापस, but I think
swing trade पे you can swing trade पे you
160
can
के
keep a
ऊपर एंटर करो या 150 पे एंटर करो, 145 पे एंटर करो, थोड़ा स्टॉप लॉस लगा के काम करो.
yes.
Next one. Next बोलूं? एक सेकंड ना. Mr. Brijesh is asking constantly, what are your views on Dr. Reddy?
I think so. Dr. Reddy, it is like, first we look at a monthly chart to understand what is going on. First of all, it broke out from a good इसका क्या है रेजिस्टेंस, या 3600 का उसका मंथली रेजिस्टेंस था, वो ब्रेकआउट किया, इट वेंट टिल 5300 5500 लेवल्स, एंड राइट नाउ इट इज कंसोलिडेटिंग इन अ रेक्टेंगुलर फैशन. I am quite bullish on Dr. Reddy as I can see a cup and handle formation on a weekly as well as on a monthly time frame. So ये momentum पे कभी आएगा once it crosses above 5500 levels. इसका वैक्सीन प्ले का भी थोड़ा न्यूज है, थोड़े नेगेटिव न्यूज भी आ रहे हैं, पर इतना ज्यादा कंसोलिडेशन हो रहा है, इट मींस दैट इट इज वेयरिंग आउट ऑल द वीक होल्डर्स. पीपल यूजुअली जब इतना कंसोलिडेट होता है वो स्टॉक को छोड़ देते हैं एंड दे वोंट एंटर ओनली. सो एंटर आपको करना है, सो अगर by chance it corrects, you can buy it around 4700 level, which will be acting as a good support zone. You can see a inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. ये जैसे left shoulder बन के, I usually don't preempt any pattern, but it can be in the process of making a right shoulder, and if it makes like 4700 level पे आए तो काफी अच्छा है. Otherwise इसका breakout level is 5500 levels. Once it closes above that, then it can move till like 6500 7000 levels. तो ये investment purpose के हिसाब से मैंने levels बताए.
Mr. Binay is asking Jubilant Ingrevia.
This is one of the favorite stocks actually of mine. As you can see, I've already drawn it. You can see it is moving in a very systematic approach. Higher high, higher lows, Doe theory का basic. It is making rectangle patterns, consolidate होता है, फिर एक दिन कभी भी बढ़ेगा. So better to add this stock near support levels. ये investment stock है. Again, this is not a trading stock. You can do some swing trades over here, but it is looking very good. I think so around 500 levels high opportunity, then it is a best opportunity to load up this particular stock because the targets are much higher. It is moving in a very systematic manner. वॉल्यूम्स भी थोड़ा चेक करो. वॉल्यूम्स देखो, जब भी ये बढ़ता है इसका वॉल्यूम काफी, ग्रीन कैंडल के साथ वॉल्यूम काफी ज्यादा रहता है, एंड व्हेनेवर इट गोज इनटू कंसोलिडेशन वॉल्यूम काफी डिमिनिश हो जाता है. तो इसका मतलब ये रहता है कि जो बायर्स है दे आर इन कंट्रोल, दे आर इन कंप्लीट कंट्रोल, और जो सेलर्स है मतलब जो वीक होल्डर्स है उसको निकालते रहता है, बिकॉज पीपल यूजुअली लाइक बोर हो जाते हैं अगर वो स्टॉक पर्टिकुलर मूव नहीं हो रहा है. दे वांट टू जंप फ्रॉम वन पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक टू अनदर पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक. सो जुबिलेंट इंग्रेविया ये पोर्टफोलियो स्टॉक है. इफ इट कम्स नियर द 500 लेवल्स यू कैन डेफिनेटली लुक टू ऐड. प्राइस एक्शन, वॉल्यूम एक्शन इज बोथ गुड. यू कैन सी व्हेनेवर ग्रीन कैंडल रहता है उसका एक वॉल्यूम भी काफी ज्यादा रहता है, एंड व्हेनेवर इट करेक्ट्स उसका वॉल्यूम काफी कम रहता है. सो जुबिलेंट इंग्रेविया इज लुकिंग वेरी गुड. लाइक आप 2-3 महीना रखोगे तो आपको अच्छा खासा, बिकॉज इट हैज ऑलरेडी गिवन अ गुड रिटर्न. इससे 350 पे ब्रेकआउट दिया था, इट इज ऑलरेडी गॉन टिल 600. सो इन अ मैटर ऑफ आई थिंक सो 2 months. सो इसकी लिक्विडिटी भी कम है.
We'll cover 3 stocks from YouTube, last 3 stocks. Okay. Complete कर देता हूं.
ठीक है. Next one.
ABB Power. ABB Power I have personally also I am invested. ABB Power मेरे को अच्छा लग रहा है. अच्छे एक बार देखना ABB.
ABB Power. India. Okay.
Yes.
काफी अच्छा लग रहा है मंथली चार्ट पे, तो इट हैज लाइक गिवन अ बिग ब्रेकआउट. क्या है, FNO का आइटम है क्या ये?
नहीं. मंथली पे ब्रेकआउट देके उसने रीटेस्ट किया तब भी मैंने ऐड किया इसको.
एंड यू कैन सी एन असेंडिंग ट्रायंगल फॉर्मेशन एज वेल एंड इसका ब्रेकआउट आई थिंक सो कितने सालों का है डेट रेंज आई विल चेक इट इज अ ब्रेकआउट ऑफ ऑलमोस्ट
14 years, 13 to 14 years.
14 years like 165 months का ब्रेकआउट है ये एंड वॉल्यूम्स आर आल्सो गुड आई थिंक सो एबीपी तो काफी अच्छा लग रहा है डेली चार्ट पे भी अच्छा ही लग रहा है इसका सपोर्ट लेवल कुछ 1750 लेवल्स है बट
हाँ वहाँ आएगा तो ऐड करो, राइट.
you will help add and it is in a continuous like higher high higher low is the basic of Dow theory. I think so it is looking very good pick.
Also fundamentally very good company from
Yeah.
long term point of view. I think this is one of the portfolio picks.
And yes कभी भी मतलब जो
बनाना है तो you can consider ABVA in your portfolio.
yeah रिस्क कम है आराम से रिटर्न अच्छे से मिलेगा.
Correct. Last two, I think Newland Labs and NMDC from YouTube.
न्यूलैंड में डेली चार्ट पे आई कैन सी अ हेड एंड शोल्डर पैटर्न सो लाइक शॉर्ट टर्म तो इसका थोड़ा नेगेटिव लग रहा है बस लॉन्ग टर्म के हिसाब से इट हैज टू रीटेस्ट द लेवल्स इट बिकॉज इट हैड ब्रोकन आउट फ्रॉम 1550 1600 levels it went till like 2700 levels so it has to come again at 1560 level to retest the breakout area. I think so results were also not that fantastic so once it comes to near this level like 1560 to 1600 levels it again becomes a very good entry zone for this particular stock और वापस वो ट्राई कर सकता है लाइक 2000 मतलब वो आपको स्विंग ट्रेड का अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल जाएगा.
I think it's looking weak only. वो so red candle था, big red candle. It's probably taken out the hard work of almost. कौन सा चार्ट देख रहा है? वीकली देख रहा है ना?
यस वीकली ये रिजल्ट आया था आई थिंक सो.
राइट 5-6 वीक के जो ग्रीन कैंडल्स थे उसको एक साथ वाइप आउट कर दिया उसने.
ये 4 सर्किट लगा था नीचे का आई थिंक सो इट वेंट फ्रॉम 2700 लेवल्स टिल लाइक ये इन अ मैटर ऑफ 4 days. वैसा तो शॉर्ट टर्म ट्रेंड इज डेफिनेटली नेगेटिव इन न्यूलैंड लैब्स.
नहीं आई थिंक ऑल्सो मैंने एक ग्रुप पे अपने शेयर किया था ना पावरफुल चार्ट पैटर्न्स. आई थिंक आई कैन सी वन ऑफ दोस पैटर्न्स. एक सेकंड अपना खाली. पावरफुल चार्ट पैटर्न्स क्रो कवर क्या नाम है वो पैटर्न का?
देखना पड़ेगा.
3 black crows.
Okay, yeah. Right. वो candlestick pattern. This is a 3 black crow.
3 black
Correct.
crows.
Right.
हाँ इसका लो टूटेगा ना तो शॉर्ट करो.
वो
हाँ, तो
जाने बस कैश का स्क्रिप्ट है.
हाँ कैश का स्क्रिप्ट में मतलब पोर्टफोलियो से निकाल दो अगर पोर्टफोलियो में है तो, या इंट्राडे में नहीं कर सकते इसमें वॉल्यूम्स नहीं रहता. वेट फॉर एंट्रीज एट सपोर्ट एरियाज फॉर न्यूलैंड. एनएमडीसी इज एन एफएनओ स्टॉक, यू कैन लुक एट दैट. रिजल्ट्स के बाद करेक्ट हुआ है काफी.
आई थिंक सो नाल्को भी काफी अच्छा है.
नाल्को काफी सही लग रहा है. आई थिंक इवन अननी हैड कवर्ड नाल्को.
So I think so इसका support it has a very good support at 170 175 levels. ये I think so beaten down इसके लिए हो रहा है कि इसका कुछ तो OFS आया था I guess right दर्शन.
NMDC का OF गवर्नमेंट इज प्लानिंग अ 10% 15% डिस्काउंट.
हाँ इसके लिए थोड़ा ये beaten down लग रहा है but if you get near like 170 172 levels then like this is looking very good as compared to national aluminum is looking better. Like अगर अपने को metals में जाना है तो
नहीं अगर मंडे because of this news if there is some pullback correction होगा थोड़ा मार्केट में तो Nalco is good with a stop loss of 65.
Yes, around 70 levels so best level है. उसका lot size भी काफी बड़ा है so then it is
1000 का lot है ना तो 5 रुपए के stop loss के साथ काम कर सकता है. People who have the risk appetite.
वॉल्यूम भी देखो लास्ट डे का काफी बड़ा वॉल्यूम था ग्रीन आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. यू कैन सी अपने वॉल्यूम आई थिंक सो 1 महीने के बाद देख रहे ये 17 मई का था. एंड आल्सो द मेटल इंडेक्स इज लुकिंग गुड. मैं एकदम मेटल इंडेक्स लास्ट कवर कर देता हूँ. तो ये मैंने बनाया था, ये खाली सपोर्ट रेजिस्टेंस पे। सो बेसिकली ये पहले रेजिस्टेंस था, वो उसका सपोर्ट बना, इधर से रेजिस्टेंस लिया, एंड इट दिस लेवल विल अगेन बिकम अ सपोर्ट, दैट इज 5200 लेवल्स. So once it takes the support, it will again go till 5400 levels. So
But
metals,
last 2 weeks, no, this is your daily chart, right?
no, this is 2 hourly chart.
वाली चार्ट, तो ये लास्ट 2 वीक में मेटल्स में इतने वाइल्ड स्विंग्स हुए हैं, उसने वो लेवल तोड़ा, फिर वापस ऊपर गया, वापस नीचे आया. मेटल्स इज इन द बज. थोड़ा ध्यान रख के काम करो, बट कर सकते हो आई थिंक.
Stop loss थोड़ा strict रखो, then you can work it out. Because
I think one more thing was the other day when we bought Tata Steel and SAIL, there was a clear call that institutional buying is coming. So I think metals again looks good from a positional rally point of view. थोड़ा सपोर्ट पे आए तो लो, थोड़ा वो बेटर एंट्री रहेगा. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल 175 इन एनएमडीसी इज अ गुड एंट्री पॉइंट. 175 टू 170 के रेंज में एंटर करो. नाल्को 70 पे एंटर कर सकते हो. तो we'll stop. I think covered quite a few.
yes,
Taken a few queries from YouTube. Last 5 stocks from our list, I think Quartz, Cable, Hickel, Syngin, IEX and Gujarat Gas. Quartz Cable.
Quartz केबल अच्छा लगा है. Syngin तो काफी लॉन्ग टर्म है. It will take time Syngin के लिए.
Quartz Cable again because cable companies are looking good. A lot of cable companies have moved in the last week.
This is a slanting, you can say slanting head and shoulder pattern breakout. You can see clearly. So थोड़े variations भी रहते हैं patterns में. So you have to just look it out. इसका target तो काफी लंबा लग रहा है, because from 54 till 40. So pattern target is around 100 levels. And if you get retest zone पे आपको मिले, that is 52 पे, I don't think so you are going to get 52 पे. अपने को डेली चार्ट पे ही देखना पड़ेगा.
ये नहीं आएगा इतना नीचे. ये ज्यादा से ज्यादा मेरे को लगता है it'll come closer to 64 63.
हाँ, so 63 64 पे भी आप ऐड कर सकते हो. You can keep a stop loss of below 50. I don't think so it will go below 50 considering the volumes, but इसका target I think so easily around 100 100 and 120 तक आ सकता है Quartz cable.
Correct. Next one is Hickel.
So Hickel is also like consolidating currently. Buy करो उसको 450 पे. Whenever it comes near 450, you can easily sell. आपको 10% तो उसमें मिल ही जाएगा. पर लॉन्ग टर्म पर्सपेक्टिव पे आप 500 like 450 पे ऐड करो. इसका resistance is around 500 510 level. So once it crosses that 510 level, then you can again see जो पहले जैसा रैली दिया था उसके 20-30% का आपको मिल सकता है. The important thing over here as well is the volume action. You can see the volume action. Whenever it goes up, it has a very good volume, but whenever it corrects on low volume. So this is a sign that the weak holders are exiting, and once all the weak holders exit, the stock usually moves up. So this is a very good sign. इसका आप देखोगे जो 20-day मूविंग एवरेज उसका सपोर्ट हर टाइम एक्ट किया है. So it has never closed below the 20-day moving average, and it is currently at the 20-day moving average. So you can expect any moment कभी भी आ सकता है. Like 510 is the breakout level for Hickel.
I think it was also part of our Dream 11.
Yeah.
Hickel moved almost 60-70% to move कर चुका है ना already.
आराम से. It was given at 200 levels.
हाँ, right. It was given at 200 levels, more than 100%, I think. Very quickly.
Right. ये ऐसा दिया था. ये इसका ब्रेकआउट लेवल था. इसमें भी सेम कंसेप्ट यूज किए थे, if you remember. ये जो
एक similar continuation patterns ही अपन ने.
कंटिन्यूएशन पैटर्न as you can see काफी बड़े. ये लास्ट टाइम 72 से हो गया था 200 लेवल्स, एंड ये अभी हो गया 200 से 500 तो अभी हो गया इन अ मैटर ऑफ लाइक. एंड वॉल्यूम्स देखो, द वॉल्यूम्स इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ओवर हियर. ह्यूमंगस वॉल्यूम्स ओवर हियर. सो लाइक कीप अ वॉच. लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए काफी अच्छा है. नीचे आए तो यू कैन लुक टू ऐड.
Correct. IEX.
IEX is a stock which has tested a lot of patience. ऐसा है. So again, this is an investment stock. IEX मोमेंट इतना ज्यादा नहीं रहता है, कभी कभी मोमेंट रहता है. इसका सपोर्ट जोन इज अराउंड 340 से 350 जोन उसका सपोर्ट जोन है. एंड इट हैज अ रेजिस्टेंस दैट इट हैज अ वेरी गुड रेजिस्टेंस एट 405 levels. So unless and until that level is not crossed, I am not expecting movement in IEX, but you should look to add whenever it corrects near the zone of 340 to 350 levels. That is a very good support zone, and it has not broken in the span of around 2 to 3 months. Yes.
320 नहीं तोड़ा है काफी टाइम से, करेक्ट.
Yes. कितना भी bearish sentiment हो, it has not like 320 तो कभी तोड़ा ही नहीं है वैसा.
Next one, India Glycol.
This is the last one.
India Glycol और एक Oberoi Realty ले लेते हैं last two. थोड़ा I think we didn't cover any stock from real estate, so we'll cover Oberoi.
India Glycol अच्छा लग रहा है. It has given a trend line breakout. I usually slanting trend line पे ज्यादा trade नहीं लेता हूँ, but as you can see, I guess if it crosses the 555 to 560 mark, you can get a quick momentum. Momentum आपको ज्यादा से ज्यादा मतलब 580 585 ये intraday trade के हिसाब से बोल रहा हूँ. But yes, it is looking good. India Glycol. If I like, I think so. I can see a VCB contraction as well. If I'll try to draw. This is one cup. This is another. And yes, this is the third one. So इसका नेकलाइन अगर ये आप VCP ट्रेड कर रहे हो तो उसका नेकलाइन हो जाएगा 580 के अबव. उसके बाद में वो ऊपर 630 635 जा रहे हो. अगर आपको ट्रेंड लाइन ब्रेकआउट से ट्रेड करना है, so you can go long above 555, keep a stop loss of around 10 points, and you can, the intraday target would be around 575 levels. But 575 के ऊपर ब्रेकआउट दिया तो then it can move in a very good manner.
I remember taking a stop loss in India Glycol at 100 levels.
Okay.
Few years back, obviously इतना knowledge भी नहीं था तब.
ये काफी अच्छा लग रहा है ना, डेली टाइम फ्रेम पे अगर देखेंगे तो काफी
मैंने
अच्छा है.
stop loss लिया हुआ है, इसको मेरे को याद है आज. काफी टाइम बाद देख रहा हूँ. 550. Nice.
Okay, so it has formed multiple contraction. You can see एक ये contraction, second, third, and this is the fourth one. If it breaks out, long term भी काफी अच्छा है.
Humongous. I think it's a good company also fundamentally.
Yeah. Last Oberoi.
Oberoi Realty, last one.
So Oberoi Realty अच्छा लग रहा है. It is at a very good support level. 600 का काफी अच्छा support level है, and वो 670 678 तक 680 तक जा सकता है. The only problem in such stocks is that ये इन लोग काफी illiquid है. जब भी मोमेंटम रहता है तभी मोमेंटम रहता है, वैसा है. But for investment purpose perspective, I think so 580 to 600 is a very good support level. काफी टाइम बाद ये क्रॉस किया है. It has broken out and it has come to retest this particular level. ये ग्रीन कैंडल का लो नहीं तोड़ना चाहिए. दैट इज अ 580 लेवल जहाँ पे इसने 670 तक गया था. सो आई एम नॉट like it won't break 580 levels in my opinion.
Perfect. I think one last thing, with this we can wind up the session. I think a lot of people who are joining us and asking their stock queries, we are not able to cover it because obviously there are too many queries. हमको जो अच्छे लग रहे हैं setups हमको वो भी discuss करने हैं. So I think we've done quite a few webinars, Zoom meetings and YouTube lives in the last good 2.5-3 months. We've been having 1,200 views on YouTube on these particular videos. Going forward, for people who want to discuss certain stock queries, and I think this is more for people who are sitting with us, right throughout the session. 3 घंटे के session में भी from start to end जो बैठे थे, मतलब people who are really interested in learning and at the same time knowing our views on particular stocks. We will be starting a separate series of stocks discussion wherein we will be discussing some of our setups जो हमको अच्छे लग रहे हैं, and we'll be taking setups from the subscribers. So we'll keep a nominal fee for that Zoom session, the benefit will be that जो आपकी stock queries है, one person one stock will be covering that without fail, because जो भी subscribers हैं उनकी एक एक queries हमको लेनी है, ठीक है. At the same time you will get to know our stock picks for the particular week. At the same time you'll get to know the different stocks that the other subscribers are asking. So this is one of the products which we are looking to launch from July, wherein we'll be having a separate session, Zoom session for people who are dedicatedly, wanting to know our view on a particular stock, and वो थोड़ा और detail में analysis होगा. This one is more of, we are doing an on-spot analysis, so we may miss out at times on certain things which, when we are doing it in a detailed manner, we will not. So वो एक चीज है. दूसरा, I think yesterday the team had launched one more flyer, wherein we are looking to give a fundamental plus technical view on the portfolio picks. So if any of you all want to know our views, from a fundamental as well as technical standpoint, you can get in touch. That product will be available, or more of personalized service है. आपको जो particular stock के ऊपर view जाननी है, वो stock को ही cover करेंगे, whether to average it, whether to add more quantity, whether to cut your losses based on technical, based on fundamental, different time frames. We'll be sharing our views, but most of it is going to be over the weekend. So expect the portfolio review to be done over the weekend, because that is only the time space where we'll be able to accommodate the different kind of market services. So those are another that is another service that we've launched, considering certain clients who are really interested in knowing our views on particular stocks. So I think एक अपन ये regularly every 2 weeks we'll do this one stock one person Twitter thread. Archit will do this
every 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks.
And every week we'll be covering one session, which will be a paid session for all the members. Compulsorily, all the stocks will be covered. जो भी एक stock अपन discuss करेंगे, one person one stock will be covering that, and that will be more of an elaborate session. So with that announcement, I think we are done for the day. Thanks for the patient listening. Thanks, Archit, for your time and for your views. I hope most of your queries were addressed. For people who we were not able to take your stocks, I think the next time hopefully we'll cover that. So stay tuned for the next session, and you all can subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any other videos that we'll come up with. We'll be starting a series of daily updates soon. I think from July, that's in pipeline. So daily, what was the market action? What were the top gainers? What went right? What didn't go right? We'll be starting a series of different videos from the next week, starting July. So stay tuned and do subscribe to our channel so that you all are updated on a regular basis with what's happening in our space. Thank you very much.